Welcome everyone, here is how you add a blur to your photos. So all you do is you open up the App Store, you'll see here Blur Photo Effect Background. Download this app, it is completely free. From here you're going to open up the Blur Photo app. It does have advertisements for premium, just wait a couple of seconds, then tap on the X. There will now be another advertisement here, just wait and then tap on the X one more time. There we go. Okay, so we have here the editing tools. We have the blur, focus, blemish. The blemish tool is premium, so keep that in mind. So let's tap on blur, and I'm just going to select this right here, and then done. So from here, you literally just get your finger and just go around where you want to blur, okay? So increase the brightness, because this is HDR video. Just go around, make sure you do everything right. And you also have the unblur tool here if you accidentally went too far, etc. You can also change the brightness of the blur and the strength as well. I personally don't like changing the brightness. And then the brush, okay, so let's go here. You can change the size of the brush, and you can also offset the brush, so you can see I'm not covering where I'm blurring, so I can see stuff more effectively, right? You'd want to go through, do a proper job, unlike me who's just doing this for the video and spending like 20 seconds, okay? Of course you can zoom in, zoom out, right, pan around. Now if I go back here, you also have the focus mode. So if you tap into this, you can change where the focus is. Now this is useful, okay, because let's say you have a face and you don't want to go all the way around doing blur. You just place the face on the circle, okay? You can resize as well. Place the face there, so you don't have to spend 20 years blowing out the background, right? So let's zoom in like this. And the Pixel 6a box is kind of distorted, so it's not the greatest, but yeah, you also have the dual bars. So that is useful if you just want to get things done quickly. And if you want the precise job, you go into the regular blur mode. And then from here, of course, you do the manual stuff. So I'm going to do a quick job here. Okay, blur like this, like so, boom, and boom. Okay, obviously I could spend more time. You want to spend more time. When you zoom in, the brush is more precise, okay, so especially if you need to do the small edges. And then when you're ready to rock, let's tap on next, and you'll see the share icon, and you can see it's saved just like that. So we can see the final result in the Photos app. There we go. So the previous version has not gone away. Maybe if you did a terrible job, the original photo won't go. We now have the blurred photo right here. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.